This summer, Google began rolling out its new Topics API, which allows a browser to share information about a user's interests with third parties while preserving privacy. The API, which is part of Google's new Privacy Sandbox, is intended to replace the third-party cookies that have been following us around for years, reporting where we go and what we buy, among other things. The Topics API was introduced in July, and if you don't have it yet, you will soon. If the thought of sharing information about your interests with third parties does not appeal to you, you may easily disable it. Here's how it's done. In Chrome, start at the three dots in the upper right corner and go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Add Privacy. You'll see three categories. Add topics, which assumes your interests based on your browsing history. Site-suggested ads, which suggests ads based on the sites you've visited. Add measurement, which shares data with sites to help them measure the effectiveness of their advertising. Select one by clicking on it. You can pause to learn more about the interests and websites Google has associated with you. You can even simply disable subcategories for each. However, if you want to save time, simply toggle each of the three categories off as you go through them, and you're finished. Of course, this isn't a fail-safe technique of protecting your privacy. For example, individual websites may use their own cookies, tracking pixels, and other data collection methods. However, it is a start. If that isn't enough, consider some of the more privacy-conscious browsers, such as DuckDuckGo or Brave. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and product reviews.